Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Corolla SE Manual with the upgrade package. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a head-turning slate metallic. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of upgraded 17-inch wheels. Included in your upgrade package is your upgraded rear disc brakes, as well as your heated steering wheel and your power moonroof. Helping you into your Corolla SE is your handy key fob. There's the lock, the unlock, as well as the trunk release and the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. Opening up that door now. Right away, you're greeted by a very sporty interior. On the side, you have that unique blue trim as part of the motif running throughout your Corolla SE. You have your power windows and your power locks. You also do have your power adjustable side mirrors, as well as a great convenience feature for those cold Alberta winters. You have your heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. Below, you can see that your Corolla is fitted with a set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean. And here you're seeing that blue trim on your seats, tying all of that cool, sporty style together. And of course, letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will be nice to have open on those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up? With your manual transmission Corolla, simply put your foot on the brake and the clutch and that key in the ignition. That dashboard's going to light up with that cool ambient lighting. As you can see, your dashboard has a multi-information display which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. A great feature to set is your lane departure alert with steering assist. You can set the sensitivity, turn on and off the sensor, and you also have your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, so you can set the sensitivity of that sensor as well, and that's all part of your Toyota Safety Sense. On this side here, you have your hands-free calling, your voice command, as well as your volume control. And on this side here, you have your lane departure alert, that manual control, as well as your dynamic radar cruise control. You can set your cruise control from below here, a great feature to have, especially if you're taking your summer road trip. Taking a look at your modern styled LCD screen will open up that audio system for you. You have your AM FM radio, as well as your USB auxiliary input and your Bluetooth audio, as well as your CD player on top, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now shifting into a reverse here, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on this LCD screen. It's very easy to read and a great feature to keep everybody nice and safe. Below here, tying all of that modern styling together, is your digital climate control. You have that automatic electronic climate control, and you can set everything with these cool tabs. You also do have your air conditioning, perfect for those hot summer days. Below here, you have your 12-volt DC charger, as well as your USB auxiliary input and your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. You also do have your media storage below, and check out that stylish shift knob as part of your manual transmission. You have your parking brake with that leather trim, and you also do have your traction control. Inside of your center console, you see you have that top shelf for any smaller items, and you also have plenty of space to store everything that you need in the front. You have your glove box as well with all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla. And check out that cool blue contrasting stitching on your dashboard, tying all of that sweet style together. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla SE. To open up that trunk, simply hold that release button on your fob and it'll pop open for you. A nice feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Plenty of space to store everything that you need. You also do have that cargo lamp inside for visibility, plus your 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items in the back. You also do have your spare tire, your tools, and your jack in case anything does happen on the side of the road. And you also do have that emergency release from inside. Closing that up now. You can see that your SE comes with that spoiler detailing as well as your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. As we back up to take one more look, you can see that you have that chrome SE badging and your chrome tipped exhaust as we take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your brand new 2018 Toyota Corolla SE with the upgrade package. Built right into your Corolla is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert with steering assist and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to have you riding nice and comfortably. But don't just take my word for it, come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.